Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So, in this video, we are going to discuss how we change the icon of our folder. Simply, we always get this type of folder icon in our all folders, but now I need to customize this. I don't like these file folders. So, for this, simply, I just need to click on the right. There's the properties. I need to click on this properties and then go to the customize, and here we have an option folder icons. You can change the folder icon if you want. Click on the change icon, and here we have a variety of folder icon as we want and we want to change. So I'm going to select this star. I like this, so I click on this and again okay, and simply apply. Just wait for some seconds and then go to the okay. Here you can see our folder icon is completely changed. We simply click on this and here we get our folders. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity